Today in Tech Talk 101 SD. Gmail Confidential Mode. To use Gmail Confidential Mode on a desktop or mobile app, you need to do the following. The first thing you should do is write a new message. Once done, look for the locked clock icon to the right of the Submit button and click on it. Once done, a pop-up will appear allowing you to set parameters for how long you want recipients in Gmail to have access to your message before it expires. It can be 1 day up to 5 years. After the expiration date, a category will appear where you will be asked for an access code. If the person you're sending the mail to has Gmail, you can ask them to enter the access code that will be sent by message to the recipient's phone. Now, if your recipient doesn't have a Gmail account, even if you don't select a password via SMS, a password will be sent to them via email. Now, in the Gmail mobile app the steps are basically the same, but some of the elements are in different places than they appear in the browser. In this case, to find confidential mode, tap on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the Gmail app and you're good to go. For more info like this, consider subscribing to my channel Tech Talk 101 SD.